my day just started a bit earlier than I expected because I went to sleep late last night. I was editing a video, but this guy, come here, say good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, this one here wanted to wake up early, like way early. He was awake at 3 a.m. like no 4 a.m. and I finished editing around maybe 3, and then he woke up at 4. So I told him to stay in bed until 7. Yeah, now we're here. Butter? Why did you wake up early?
Yeah.
You can't sleep? You can sleep? Why'd you do your face like that? Yeah, so why did you wake up early? Then, that's not it. Colin decided to come and sleep in my bed.
No.
And as soon as I left the bed with Carter, like I came downstairs with Carter, he decided to wake up too because he was scared to sleep alone. I don't know. Now he's here drinking his milk. Let me show you guys.
But there's a dragon.
There was a dragon where? I couldn't see a dragon. I didn't see any dragon.
No dragon gone.
It's gone, but you saw one?
Yeah.
He keeps saying he saw a dragon.
No baby.
And that's why the baby was scared. Meaning Colin was scared. He woke up. Carmelo is sleeping with my mom.
No.
I hope everyone is having a nice day. I hope this day is just gonna be a beautiful day. Okay, you need to show them well, like this. Is your Paw Patrol book?
Hmm?
Okay.
You're going to see the wall. You're going to see.
Hear me and answer me. My thoughts trouble me, and I am distraught because of what my enemy is saying, because of the threats of the wicked, for they bring down suffering on me and assail me in their anger.
After the massage, I'm so sleepy. But it's so relaxing. I'm whispering because it's a different room here and there. I don't want to make noise, but yeah, it was so relaxing. I was sleeping, like legit sleeping. I'll see you guys later. You guys, so I just finished doing the massage. Now I am sleepy. Oh my god, don't mind my eyes. It's cold outside, but yeah, I'm not here to buy books, just here to look for a couple things and then go home. I need someone to drive me home right now, to be honest. I appreciate my sister because she's the one who booked this appointment for me and she paid for it, and I appreciate my mom for staying with the kids. Yeah, so I had like 3 hours to myself, but now it's time to go home, and the traffic is about to get crazy, so I need to get home. I am hungry. Where are you guys? I heard something about the sex trafficking that has been going on in Toronto. I mean, like GTA area. It's crazy. I mean, human trafficking. That's madness. I hear bear stories. Sometimes they will come and let's say I'm parking right here, so the van will be parking the next like close to my car. So as soon as you come to your car, they'll just open the van and just kidnap you. And I heard about other things that these ladies actually approaching you at the mall or at the streets, wherever you are, and then they'll ask you about, do you know God the Mother? And if you say God the Mother, they'll try to lure you into the idea, like it's religious and stuff. They need to show you in the Bible, whatever these Bible studies. And if you get into that and you give them your contacts and stuff, they start tracking you and maybe ended up kidnapping you and to use you for sex trafficking. I don't know. It's crazy. The world is getting crazy. Oh my God. Like, it's best to stay inside, but what can you do? What can you do with my keys? This is me all the time, bro. I come in the car and I cannot find my keys. But yeah, we should pray, guys. We should pray for this world to get better, because like, so a bit warning. Tell your family. What I do? Tell your family, your friends. Share this. This thing is getting real. Is this what happened when you get home? Eh? Kuna sweta hapa? Hi, bye.
Here it comes. The ball. This is for the colony.
Aww, so cute. You feeding your brother?
Mhm.
You're sharing a hot dog?
Mhm.
Good boy.